Location tracking. For various tracking options, you can see the details by tapping on the information icon here. To enable only your own location tracking, tap on the Enable Tracking button. If you have more than one group that you belong to, it will ask you to select the group you want to enable tracking for. Once you select the group, the system will ask you for the duration you want to enable tracking for in days, hours, and minutes. The system will confirm your selection, and once you confirm, your tracking will start and the rest of the group will be notified that you have enabled your tracking. You will also see the color of the tracking icon against the group change to a different color. For more details on what each color means, tap on the legend at the bottom of the groups. To request tracking from everyone in the group, you tap on the Request button and go through the same process of selecting a group, duration, and confirmation process. Once you confirm, a notification is sent to the users about your request that they can accept or decline. Users can change their mind by accepting or stopping tracking for specific groups. For some situations, it may be appropriate to send location requests to drivers and riders only and not others in the group. In that case, you can go to the group settings and toggle on the flag for drivers and riders only. You can start your request process, select duration, and send the request. You can stop tracking for a group at any time by tapping on the Stop button. You can also select who you want to see on the map. If users allow, you can see their actual or approximate home locations. You enter your home location in the app settings and enable it for the group. Then on the map, you can select to see home locations. The group administrator can choose to kill all tracking requests that were accepted for the group from the Stop button. However, keep in mind that will only stop accepted tracking requests and not those enabled by the user. Tracking enabled by the user for that group will continue to track the user, and only the user himself can stop that, not the admin. Unless users have enabled or accepted tracking at least once for that group, their icon will not show up on the map. When users go to the map for that group, they will see location icons in either red, for those whose tracking is not enabled, or green, for those whose tracking is enabled.